The Costing tab is a generic feature that supports a wide range of printers, including many hardware configurations and options. Some configurations use passes as a multiplier. For example, a printer with 4 white print heads might require Q output data for each print head. If the Q outputs 4 white channels, then the passes field is 1. However, a similar printer might require data for only 1 white channel, and the printer duplicates that data for each print head. In this case, passes equals 4 so that costing reflects actual ink usage. Pre-configured queues have preset passes values. However, if print mode settings have changed and you want to verify the passes value, then check the following. First, confirm the output channels. Choose RIP only, then View Raw Data, and count the white channels. Second, determine the print heads by consulting the Printer Operator Manual. Fewer output channels than print heads indicates a passes multiplier is needed. Passes is also modified by additional head passes over the substrate. The Layer Profile tab Layer Passes Value is automatically included with costing calculations. However, some printers have Printer Options Ink Passes, which is not included in costing calculations and must be reflected by adjusting the passes value. For example, suppose our passes equals 4, but Printer Options Ink Passes is 2. So we multiply our passes. 4 by 2 equals 8. To summarize, the passes value is determined by white output channels shown using View Raw Data, white print heads indicated in the Printer Operator Manual, ink passes, if available, on the Printer Options tab. To track jobs that have differing white passes, choose Queue menu, Manage Queues, Copy Queue. Click to edit properties such as name, print mode, and costing.